What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's the 2nd of April, heading into a new month here. We are going to take a look at XRP USD today. Bitstamp will be the data. TradingView.com will be the charting service we are looking at today. Let's take a quick look at CoinMarketCap.com. We are, for XRP, is sitting in the number 3 spot for being up the most in the past 24 hours, guys. Past 24, up 3.5%. So XRP is one of few that are moving to the upside. So far, our pullback is holding quite well. Guys, let's jump into the charts. You can see on my screen, we got some green. We have H-bar up just about the same as XRP, up 3.1. And then we have a mixture of stocks and cryptos. What is going on here with XRP? Is it time to buy? Is it too late? Well, it's probably a little bit of both, but let's talk about it. So XRP, guys, if you have been following our videos, we have been doing some recent XRP videos. I mean, the channel started doing XRP videos, and then we kind of did some others. But, you know, of course, not forgetting about the XRP charts. So let's take a zoom out real quick. As we take a zoom out, we have XRP within this giant pennant pattern here, multi-year chart pattern, guys. If you've been paying attention to either my channel or other channels, it's very obvious what's going on here. It is basing. It's a giant multi-year basing structure. We talked about XRP breaking out of this pattern going back many, many weeks. And what took place over here in the middle of March is we got a break above that overhead resistance line, and hindsight's 2020. We're obviously moving to the upside for now. We also mentioned, guys, that we don't have to necessarily go all the way to the middle, to the end of this pattern into the apex, which would be the, let's see here. The apex, excuse me, the apex of that pattern would have been basically today. I was getting a little confused there. We actually broke out, like I said, in the middle of March. So although, you know, you would look for the price to finish out the pattern, it doesn't mean it's going to, and it obviously didn't here. We broke out way before the today or tomorrow would have been the end of this pattern. So that is what we were looking for. So if you were looking to buy XRP, and the thing with the markets is a lot of people have a tough time buying when prices are suppressed. People want to buy big green candles, and that isn't the worst strategy to a certain extent. So a lot of people, you know, will see a crypto or a stock or a future moving, you know, up X amount of percent in a day, a week, whatever, and they'll jump on board. And like I said, I don't think that's the worst strategy. Depends on when you jump on board, though. So anyways, if you've been following this, you were looking for the same thing I was looking for. That's what we were talking about in the videos, and that was a break out of here. And we got that break right over in here in the middle to the end of March. We have owned XRP for many years. We used to trade XRP in and out back in 2017, 2018. We have longer term positions in XRP. We'll trade in and out depending on the market. But anyways, we were able to get into some XRP in and around that breakout. And like I said, we have other prices that we were getting in XRP. It was not all by any means at this 37 cent level. So that was one area that you could have purchased XRP. You might be wondering, guys, what are all these crazy lines on my chart? I have lines all over the place. They go much lower. They go much higher than where the current price is at. So they are support and resistance lines. And they are, you might think they're all too close together. So the price will bounce in between these support and resistance lines. We've been recently talking about XRP support at 50 cents. Right here is a white line at 50 cents. And as the price moved above that price, so up to 55 and then closed below it, that is our resistance line. Then we pulled back and we were looking for support. We put out a short probably yesterday. I think it was yesterday. We said looking for a close at that 50 cent or above. And yesterday's close was 50951. My level is at 50842. So we did get a confirmation close above that. So that is current support. And then today we are moving higher, up 3.1%. So that's what all these lines are. As price either moves higher, we look at these lines as targets and resistance. And then as price moves lower, we look for support to show up somewhere within the chart, within these prices. So that is all that is. I have two circles on my charts, guys. I have one at 47,060 and one at 50842, which is where the price is currently at now. So based on this little pattern here, just that part of the, that's a small pattern within bigger and then even bigger, ultimately the multi-year basing pattern. We had two targets. We hit target number one on the 21st of March. That big green candle that was up 25% took us right to my 47,060 target. Price consolidated all around the 43-44 area. Got another big rally on the 28th of March. We hit our target number two, which was it's actually where we're trading at basically today, the 50842 line. So we hit both of our targets based on the shorter term consolidation pattern. Obviously that has turned into support, and we are at 52,659. Current resistance, guys, for XRP on this leg higher right now, we have our high up there at our 5.5 level, our 55 cent level. It became resistance once on the 29th and then once again on the 30th. So that is overhead resistance. We are looking for a break above that. So a break above that takes us up to 61 to 63 cents. And we could see we had other resistance back in here, right at that 55 cent level. So guys, is it too late to buy XRP? Well, that is for you to decide. And as I share these things on the chart, you can probably come up with the best answer that suits you. Is it the best time to buy XRP as it hits overhead resistance and looking for a pullback? Maybe, maybe not, depending on how you're looking at it. Is it better to buy XRP as it approaches a lower support level, finds support, and then gets ready to rally? Maybe that's a better area to buy some XRP. Also depends what your objectives and goals are long term. 50 cents, in my opinion, is chump change for this thing. So if you get in at 55 or 50, 48, 50, all of that probably doesn't matter. If you're trading in and out of XRP, you probably want to buy it at support and sell it at a likely resistance area. So we have some, our next area, like I said, is 55, guys. We're looking for a break above that. And then we just follow our lines all the way up until, wherever the price ultimately finds resistance. So 61, 63, 68, 82. Those are all areas that the price should hit as long as this rally continues. RSI down there. Our longer term line here is trending higher still. Our shorter term has rolled over. So like I don't put too much weight on that, but it is there, so I will look at it. Much higher price targets, guys, for XRP. You know, there's a pretty important area up here at 82. There's also an important area up here at $1.21. Those are all pretty important areas. Keep in mind that 55-cent area is pretty important as well. If we get a break above that, we could really get going to the upside. To the upside, and that would probably take us right up to that 82-cent level. We have longer term, much higher price targets on XRP, $6 to $11. We have some important price levels based on this big consolidation here at the 212 to 285, 292 level. Some longer term, $6 to $11, guys. Probably conservative. Hopefully I'm off by a couple digits and you can add a 0 or 2 zeros to that. But realistically, what I see on the chart is 2 to 285 should be an easy target, assuming this thing does continue its uptrend. You know, $4, 6 to 11 based on longer XRP history. But right now, it is a battle at the 50 and 55 cent area. We're getting a nice pump today. It's the weekend. It does seem like XRP likes to move on the weekends. So, hey, one of many things I should mention that is great about the cryptocurrency market, guys, is markets never close. You can trade around the clock on the weekends whenever you would like. Great stuff. Guys, head down in the video description, download your free trade tracker, print that out, put it on your desk, fill it out for your trades if you're trading in and out of stocks, cryptocurrencies, futures, whatever you trade. Use that thing. It's free, and hopefully it helps you guys out and you can keep track of your trades a little bit more organized. One of the key takeaways for that is when you take your trades and you take notes for those trades, you can look back on them and you can know why or why not a trade didn't work based on your files and your notes. Let me know in the comments where you think XRP is going. Great support showing up at 50, resistance at 55. A break above 55 should easily take us into the 60 to 70 cent range. 82 cent could be a little problem area. We got some overhead supply here, but then above that, right to $1.21, another area. Got some supply hanging over the market. But this breakout from this pennant pattern that we were talking about weeks ago looks great. Keep in mind, RSI is a little overheated, but it looks like the price is going to continue higher for now. $2.12, 6 to 11, all very, very possible as this market does continue higher. Keep in mind, Bitcoin looks ready to break out once again. If that happens, that should really fuel XRP's rally. You guys take care. If you are not yet subscribed, go ahead and join the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.